Alright, what up? It's your boy Caesar. We're doing another video, and I'm gonna be trying the Volcano noodles. And I'm sorry, you guys. I have ghost peppers, but I left them in Fresno. So maybe next week you can see that video. I could try something dope. So here's the noodles. They're so delicious. I'm gonna add some chili, some extra spice to it. How did Jeffy do it? No. So, yeah. No.
Yeah, you're gonna be on the toilet tonight.
Oh shit. Some pepper up in there. Mix it up a little. Dang, this ghost pepper would have made it really worse, but all right, let's see how this tastes though. Mmm. Mmm. Well, that's it. You guys, thank you for watching. Comment for what you want to see next. Like it, and hit that notification bell. See y'all in a little bit. Peace.